Hello ladies, welcome to this channel where you will learn how to become the best version of yourself. Today we're discussing how to look pretty, polished, and feminine. Whether you're getting ready for a special occasion or just want to feel your best, these tips will help you achieve a polished and feminine look. Tip number 1. Focus on your skincare routine. The first step to looking pretty and polished is to take care of your skin. This means cleansing, toning, and moisturizing your skin every day, as well as exfoliating regularly to remove dead skin cells. It's also important to wear sunscreen to protect your skin from sun damage. By taking care of your skin, you will have a healthy, glowing complexion. That is the foundation of a polished look. A basic skincare routine should include cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. Cleansing is the process of removing dirt, oil, and makeup from your skin, which can be done with a gentle cleanser or face wash. Toning is the process of restoring the skin's natural pH balance, which can be done with a toner or a face mist. Moisturizing is the process of keeping the skin hydrated and supple, which can be done with a moisturizer or a face oil. It is also important to exfoliate regularly, which is a process of removing dead skin cells. Exfoliating can be done with a physical exfoliant, such as a scrub or a brush, or with a chemical exfoliant, such as an acid or enzyme peel. Exfoliating helps to reveal brighter, smoother skin, and it also helps to prevent breakouts. Another important part of skincare routine is protecting the skin from sun damage. Sunscreen is an important step in any skincare routine as it helps to protect the skin from harmful UV rays, which can cause premature aging, sunburn, and skin cancer. It's recommended to use sunscreen with at least SPF 30 and reapply it every 2 to 3 hours or after sweating or swimming. In short, tip number 1 is about taking the necessary steps to maintain the health and appearance of your skin by using a consistent skincare routine that includes cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and protecting your skin from sun damage, and exfoliating regularly. It is about understanding that good skincare is not a one-time fix, but a daily commitment to taking care of your skin. Your skin will thank you for that. Tip number 2. Experiment with makeup. Makeup is a great tool to enhance your natural beauty and create a polished look. Experiment with different products and shades to find the right combination that works for you. Makeup can be a great tool for accentuating your best features, covering up imperfections, and bringing out your individual style. Remember, less is more, and don't be afraid to ask for help from a professional makeup artist. When experimenting with makeup, it is important to start with a clean face by cleansing your skin properly before applying any makeup. This will help the makeup to adhere better and last longer. A natural look is a classic choice for a feminine look. This can be achieved by using a light foundation or BB cream, a natural toned eyeshadow, and a light blush, and a natural toned lipstick or lip gloss. This is great for a daily wear and can be easily dressed up or down depending on the occasion. For a more dramatic look, you can try a bold lip or a smoky eye. A bold lip can be achieved by using a bright lipstick or a lip stain, while a smoky eye can be achieved by using a dark eyeshadow and blending it well. This look is great for a night out or a special occasion. When experimenting with makeup, it is also important to remember that less is more and not to overdo it. It's also important to consider your skin tone and complexion when choosing makeup shades. If you're not sure what shades will work best for you, it's always a good idea to ask for help from a professional makeup artist. It is also important to remove your makeup before going to bed to avoid clogging your pores and causing breakouts. Cleansing wipes or makeup remover are great options for removing makeup quickly and easily. In short, tip number 2 is about using makeup to enhance your natural beauty and create a polished look. It's about experimenting with different products and shades to find the right combination that works for you. It's about remembering that less is more and not overdoing it. and about considering your skin tone and complexion when choosing makeup shades. Please remove your makeup before going to bed to avoid clogging your pores and causing breakouts. Tip number 3. Dress in a feminine way. Dressing in a feminine way is about choosing clothes that flatter your body shape and make you feel confident. Accessorize with simple and elegant jewelry and shoes, especially heels, that are comfortable to walk in. One way to achieve a feminine look is to choose clothing with a flattering fit. This can mean choosing clothing that accentuates your waist and hips, such as A-line dresses or well-tailored pants. It can also mean choosing clothing that flatters your bust, such as V-neck tops or wrap dresses. Another way to achieve a feminine look is to choose clothing in soft feminine colors, such as pastel shades or floral prints. These colors are associated with femininity and can add a touch of softness to your overall look. It's also important to consider the occasion and the dress code when choosing colors and prints. Accessorizing is also an important part of dressing in a feminine way. Simple and elegant jewelry, such as a pair of stud earrings or delicate necklace, can add a touch of class and elegance to your look. I also personally love statement earrings as it can give an outfit an instant lift. Shoes, especially heels, also play a big role in completing a feminine look, and it is important to choose comfortable shoes that you can walk in. It is also important to note that dressing in a feminine way does not mean conforming to societal standards or following the latest fashion trends. It is about finding a style that makes you feel confident and comfortable, and that expresses your individuality. In short, tip number 3 is about choosing clothes that flatter your body shape and make you feel confident. It's about finding the balance between comfort and style and choosing clothing with a flattering fit. It's also about accessorizing with elegant jewelry and shoes, especially heels, that are comfortable to walk in. It's about understanding that dressing in a feminine way is about expressing your individuality and not conforming to societal standards. Tip number 4. Take care of your hair. Having healthy, well-groomed hair is an important part of looking pretty and polished. This means keeping your hair clean and trimmed and using the right products to keep it moisturized. You can also experiment with different hairstyles, such as a classic bun or a sleek ponytail, to create a polished look. Taking care of your hair starts with keeping it clean and trimmed. This means washing your hair regularly, depending on your hair type, and keeping it trimmed every 6 to 8 weeks. It is also important to use the right type of shampoo and conditioner for your hair type, whether it is curly, straight, or color-treated hair. It is also important to use products that will keep your hair moisturized, such as a leave-in conditioner, hair oil, or hair masks. These products can help to prevent breakage and keep your hair looking shiny and healthy. Experimenting with different hairstyles is also a great way to achieve a polished look. A classic bun or a sleek ponytail are both elegant and feminine hairstyles that can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. Adding curls or waves to your hair can also add a touch of femininity to your overall look. Just like your skin, healthy hair starts from within. Maintaining a healthy diet and lifestyle can greatly improve the health of your hair. In short, tip number 4 is about maintaining the health and appearance of your hair in order to achieve a polished and feminine look. It is about keeping your hair clean, trimmed, and moisturized, using the right type of shampoo and conditioner for your hair type, experimenting with different hairstyles, and remembering that healthy hair starts from within. Hair care is not a one-time fix, but a daily commitment to maintaining the health and appearance of your hair. Tip number 5. Practice good posture and body language. Good posture and body language play a big role in how polished and feminine you appear. Good posture means standing up straight, pulling your shoulders back, and keeping your head held high. Use open, confident body language, such as making eye contact and smiling, to convey confidence and poise. Using open and confident body language can also convey a sense of poise and femininity. This includes making eye contact, smiling, and using appropriate gestures when communicating. This can help to build trust and connection with others, and it can also make you appear more approachable. It is also important to be aware of your body language in different situations. For example, in a job interview or a date or a meeting. In these situations, it's important to be aware of the impressions you're giving and to adjust your body language accordingly. It is also important to note that good posture and body language are not just about how you present yourself to others, but also how you feel about yourself. Practicing good posture and body language can help to boost your confidence and self-esteem. In short, tip number 5 is about the way you carry yourself and the non-verbal cues you send to others. It's about practicing good posture, which means standing up straight, pulling your shoulders back, and keeping your head held high. It's about using open and confident body language, such as making eye contact, smiling, and using appropriate gestures when communicating. Ladies, looking pretty, polished, and feminine is not about conforming to societal standards or achieving a certain level of perfection. It's about feeling good about yourself and expressing your individuality. By following these tips, you will be on your way to looking and feeling your best. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.